Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you very quick how to format USB SD card or any kind of external drive to ExFat format. First of all, you need to connect this USB to your macOS device. Because macOS device only have Type-C ports, so you need to have a USB OTG adapter like this. Or you can use a USB Type-C hub like I have right now. So I will connect my USB to my USB Type-C hub over here. Okay, as you can see here, I connected successfully my USB to my macOS device, and you can see over here my USB are recognized by my MacBook. So now how you can format this USB? You have two ways. The first way is you right click right into the desktop over here and you choose the erase disk option. The other way is you go to the folder over here and you will see we have an ExFat is my USB over here, and you choose this one, you right click and you choose erase disk. I will choose this option. After that, you can see we have a pop-up window over here. You can set up the new USB name. Now you need to choose the format. By default, Apple will choose the NTFS. This one is default Apple file format that come with all the macOS device. But if you want to format to ExFat, you need to choose ExFat over here, and then you choose erase. Now we have another pop-up that shows you all the data will be deleted, so you just need to click erase. After that, you finally finish format your USB to ExFat. Now you can safely remove your USB out of your macOS device. Okay, that's all my videos. If my video is helpful, please give me a like and subscribe, and drop a comment below if you want to ask me anything. I will see you in my next videos.